to see your liked videos on YouTube. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device. Make sure you're logged into your YouTube account. Then click on You at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on You at the bottom right corner of your screen, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen in here. After you click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, here you will find different options. Simply scroll down and click on Manage All History, which is below Billing and Payments. After you click on Manage All History, in here click on Interactions at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on Interactions at the top right, click on Videos, Like, and Dislikes. Here, scroll down and you'll find all your liked videos. And this is how to see your liked videos on YouTube. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.